about the market psychology behind support and resistance and technical analysis. Support and resistance levels are important points in time, where the forces of supply and demand meet. These support and resistance levels are seen by technical analysts as crucial when determining market psychology and supply and demand. When these support or resistance levels are broken, the supply and demand forces that created these levels are assumed to have moved, in which case new levels of support and resistance will likely be established. Support is the level at which demand is strong enough to stop the asset from falling any further. In the image shown earlier, you can see that each time the price reaches the support level, it has difficulty penetrating that level. The rationale is that as the price drops and approaches support, buyers, demand, become more inclined to buy and sellers, supply, become less willing to sell. Resistance is the level at which supply is strong enough to stop the asset from moving higher. In the image above, you can see that each time the price reaches the resistance level, it has a hard time moving higher. The rationale is that as the price rises and approaches resistance, sellers, supply, become more inclined to sell and buyers, demand, become less willing to buy. Let's understand the psychology of support and resistance with some examples. First, let's assume there are buyers who've been buying Solana close to a support area. Let's say that support level is $40. They buy some Solana at $40, and now it moves up and away from that level to $50. The buyers are happy and want to buy more at $40, but not $50. They decide if the price moves back down to $40, they will buy more. They're creating demand at the $40 level. Now let's change things up to help understand resistance. Let's say you own the Solana token at $80. Then Solana goes to $120 and you don't sell. Now Solana goes back to $80, where you own it. What are you feeling? Regret for not selling it now it goes back to $120 and you sell as much as you can this time. So do the other owners of Solana. Solana can't get past $120 and retreats. There are at least 3 groups of owners that are trying to sell their supply at $120. This creates a resistance level at $120. Next, let's look into support and resistance role reversal. A key concept of technical analysis is that when a resistance or support level is broken, its role is reversed. If the price falls below a support level, that level will become resistance. If the price rises above a resistance level, it will often become support. As the price moves past a level of support or resistance, it is thought that supply and demand has shifted, causing the breached level to reverse its role. Technical analysis is one approach of attempting to determine the future price of a security or market. Some investors may use fundamental analysis and technical analysis together. They'll use fundamental analysis to determine what to buy and technical analysis to determine when to buy. Don't forget that technical analysis is not an exact science, and it is subject to interpretation. If you continue your study of technical analysis, you'll likely hear someone say it is more of an art than a science. As with any discipline, it takes work and dedication to become adept at it. We hope you enjoyed this educational video. We will be back with another video soon. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.